Today, we're going to show you how to remap the rear buttons on your PS5 Dualsense controller. Entering assignment mode. Press and hold the two topmost rear buttons on the controller. While holding these, press and hold the mic button for 2 to 3 seconds. The touchpad LED will flash, letting you know that you've entered remap mode. Once that LED flashes, release all buttons. Assigning rear button inputs. Next, press and hold the rear button you want to reprogram. The LED should flash, beginning the remap sequence. While holding the rear button, press and hold the desired assignment button. Release the rear button while still holding the assignment button. Finally, release the assignment button. Repeat this process for any button you want to assign. To save your rear button assignments and exit reassignment mode, simply press the mic button once again. The LED will flash once more, indicating that you have exited reassignment mode. On PS5, you can remap your rear buttons to any of the face buttons, D-pad, stick clicks, and the bumpers by pressing the button you wish to assign while in reassignment mode. We will go over remapping to the triggers in the next section. Mapping to triggers. You can also remap to the triggers by using a button combination. First, enter assignment mode as normal. To map to the L2 trigger, press and hold the rear button, then press L1 and L3 stick click at the same time. Release the rear button first, then the bumper and trigger. For the R2 trigger, press and hold the rear button, then press R1 and R3 stick click at the same time. Release both the bumper and stick click buttons simultaneously. The LED light will stop flashing, indicating that the remap to the trigger is complete. Unassigning a rear button. First, enter assignment mode as normal. Press the rear button you wish to unassign, without pressing anything else. Then, press the mic button to exit reassignment mode. The rear button will now be unassigned. Here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. Each button can only hold one assignment at a time. You can enter assignment mode to change a single button, and the others will keep their current assignments. Controllers can have a remap chip with only one rear button. To enter remap on a single button controller, press and hold the rear button, and press and hold the mic button until the LED flashes. This may take a few seconds longer than controllers with multiple rear buttons. That's it for our PS5 remap instructions. Please check out our videos on PS4 and Xbox Series X remap here. Good luck and have fun!